Hello, GRTFAM. Welcome back to the new section of episode 9 of the Graph News, brought to you by the Graphtronauts. This week, we'd like to bring your attention to a proposal by one of Figment's core developers surrounding the Graph and Cosmos. Firstly, we have Pranav to thank you for bringing this proposal back into the limelight via his tweets on the subject. The proposal looks at the integration of Tendermint into the Graph node. A quote from Tendermint's own documentation describes Tendermint as a software for securely and consistently replicating an application on many machines. By securely, we mean that Tendermint works even up to 1/3 of machines fail in arbitrary ways. By consistently, we mean that every non-faulty machine sees the same transaction log and computes the same state. The proposal itself describes the integration of Tendermint into Graph node. The proposal outlines the motivation of the integration, outlining several points. These include to allow easy and fast integration of many chains in the Cosmos ecosystem, which will expand the Graph's market and realize its multi-chain vision. Cosmos, or the Internet of Blockchains, is a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. With a growing number of blockchains, dApps and builders, the Graph will have a vital role to play in the Cosmos ecosystem. Again, we see how valuable the Graph is to other projects in the space. Be sure to check out our full forum post. The link will be in the description box. A topic that we see increasingly in the community is the misconception surrounding the Graph and its similarities with Chainlink. While Chainlink also focuses on data, its use case is very different from the Graph. Chainlink is an Oracle protocol facilitating the transfer of tamper-proof data from off-chain sources to on-chain smart contracts. The Graph, however, is indexing protocol used to query blockchains like Ethereum and Cosmos. An easy way to think about it is like this. You have an input, a manipulation, and an output. Chainlink gets the data off-chain to on-chain. This helps ensure the input data to be reliable. Ethereum and Cosmos manipulate the data in a smart contract to help ensure computations are reliable. Then the Graph gets the data from on-chain to off-chain with the purpose of ensuring the off-chain data is reliable. Here is another example of how to think of the two projects. Chainlink can be seen as the funnel that brings the real-world data onto blockchain. The Graph can be seen as the refinery that organizes that same blockchain data and allows users to easily query its various use cases, e.g., like running DeFi applications. While the projects do not have the same use case, they do have the same goal: to help bring forward the true vision of Web3 and to allow for projects to run on blockchains as efficiently and effectively as possible. This is clear to see with the two projects teaming up together as far back as June 2020. That brings a close to the news today, but tune back tomorrow for the latest tweets that have caught our eye and the GRT IQ podcast guests that you may have missed. See you tomorrow.